This talented star has already had a very exciting career, so let's get to know her a little bit more and look at 10 facts about Isabela Moner. My name is Leroy Kenton and welcome back to FTD Facts. Okay, so let's start off with some basic facts about Isabela Moner. Her birthday is July 10th, 2001. That makes her 18 years old. Isabela was born in Cleveland, Ohio, and her zodiac sign is a Cancer. Isabela's mother's name is Catherine, who was born in Lima, Peru, and her father, Patrick Moner, was born in Louisiana. Isabela Moner, she has been acting since the age of 7, and she made her Broadway debut at just the age of 10. That was in the production called Evita, but her film debut happened in the year 2013, and that's when she appeared in the movie The House That Jack Built. Following that, she got her opportunity to be on TV. That was when she was casted for the NBC sitcom Growing Up Fisher in the year 2014. On the show, she played Jenny for 7 episodes. However, unfortunately for Isabela Moner, the show was cancelled in May of 2014 after just 1 season. So by now we know that Isabela Moner plays Dora in the live-action film, right? But did you know that she also voiced the character Kate in the Dora the Explorer spin-off, Dora and Friends Into the City?
Sir Jim, I'm so glad you're all right. I'm Kate, and these are my friends Dora and Pablo.
Isabela Moner also has a huge heart for animals, so check this out. She adopted a 3-legged Great Dane named Pluto. Her dog Pluto looks exactly like a mix between Scooby-Doo and Pluto, which is Mickey Mouse's pet. Anyone else see that resemblance? Now there's a lot more to learn about Isabela Moner, but before I get into the rest of the facts, this episode of FTD Facts is brought to you by Raid Shadow Legends. Raid Shadow Legends is a free RPG. There's almost 10 million players worldwide that have already downloaded the game within just 3 months, and it has a near perfect rating in the App Store. The game has amazing graphics, as well as there's over 400 champions for you to collect and customize. So go to the video description and click on the special link that I have for you, and you'll instantly get 50,000 silver, as well as a free champion as part of the new player program to start your journey. Isabela Moner, she has appeared in movies, TV shows, she's been on Broadway, but she's also a recording artist. Yeah, the talent just keeps on oozing out. She showed off her impressive vocals when she released her debut studio album called Stopping Time. The album included a wide range of original material, as well as some cover tracks, including a version of Beyonce's song Halo.
Baby, I can see your halo. Pray it won't fade away.
Now, I'm a huge Beyonce fan, and that track, Halo, I know, I'm not even a singer. That's a tough one to sing. So big respects to Isabela for doing it.
Baby, I can feel your halo. Pray it won't fade away.
So with all that talent that Isabela Moner just oozes out, and being as famous as she is, of course that's going to translate to dollars. So thanks to her TV and film and music career, at the time of filming this episode, Isabela Moner's net worth is $2 million. Now, although she grew up in the United States, and her name might suggest this, but she speaks Spanish. However, did you know that Spanish was her first language? And she initially struggled with learning to speak English in school.
Hermana es también proteger
Claro.
a mi hermanito y bueno, sí peleo con mi hermano mayor.
And speaking of school, actually, Isabela is just not just talented, but she's also brilliant. She literally managed to skip 2 grades in high school, and she got accepted in college at just the age of 15 years old. She had shared with her Facebook fans a message that said, "In my family, a good education is invaluable and cherished. I really hope all of you realize how important it is to be smart rather than a movie star. I can't wait to start working towards that degree." Now, before you get out of here, we featured another talented female actor and recording artist, Naomi Scott. Yeah, she played Jasmine in the live-action film for Aladdin. That video will surprise you, but it will also inspire you. Naomi Scott is amazing. I'll be linking to this video down below, so don't miss it. I'll see you all real soon. Later!